You might not be daydreaming about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra right now, but believe me, Samsung is already deep in thought about it. Even though the excitement from January's Galaxy S24 launch is still fresh in our minds, the tech giant is already rolling up its sleeves and getting to work on what will be their next flagship phone, ready to take the smartphone world by storm. Samsung is notorious for its innovative approaches and cutting-edge technology, and they're not about to hit the brakes anytime soon. The buzz surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra is intensifying, and while we're not swimming in a sea of details just yet, the snippets and rumors we've gathered so far are enough to ignite the excitement of any tech enthusiast. Samsung's impressive track record with smartphone upgrades and features gives us hope that the S25 Ultra will raise the bar even higher. So, let's take a deep dive into what we know and what we can speculate about this much-anticipated device that everyone is already talking about. Let's kick things off with design. Samsung made a bold and stylish move by switching to a titanium frame for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, and it looks like they're likely to stick with that sleek and durable choice for the S25. The design has been pretty consistent in recent models, showcasing that signature vertical camera arrangement on the back that has become a hallmark of the Ultra series. We can expect more of the same stunning aesthetic, but leaked CAD renders will soon give us a clearer picture of the design direction. Fans of the series are undoubtedly eager to see what fresh touches Samsung might bring to the table. Here's an intriguing tidbit. Rumors are swirling that the display on the base Galaxy S25 model might grow from 6.2 inches to around 6.36 inches. For the Ultra variant, we're hearing whispers of a slightly larger screen, potentially up to 6.9 inches, nudging past the S24 Ultra's 6.8 inches. If this holds true, it'll not only match, but also compete with the newly released iPhone 16 Pro Max, which is quite the benchmark to aim for. A larger display means more room for vibrant visuals, whether you're gaming, streaming your favorite shows, or just casually scrolling through social media feeds. Samsung has been on a relentless mission to amp up display brightness lately, and they didn't disappoint with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which reached an impressive peak brightness of 2600 nits. That's bright enough to keep your screen visible even under harsh sunlight. Could the S25 Ultra take it even higher? Leaks suggest it might feature a more curvy design while maintaining that flat front, adding a touch of elegance without compromising usability. And let's not overlook the bezels. They might be getting thinner, giving us even more screen real estate to enjoy our content without distractions. Now let's get to the good stuff, the camera. The camera system is where the Galaxy S series truly shines, and the S25 Ultra is expected to be no different. With a jaw-dropping 200-megapixel main sensor and a remarkable 100-megapixel space zoom feature, we're already salivating over potential upgrades that could make photography easier and more fun. Early leaks hint at some exciting enhancements, especially for the wide-angle lens, which might get an upgrade that's sure to please photography enthusiasts. Additionally, there's talk of the ultra-wide lens jumping from a 12-megapixel to a staggering 50-megapixel sensor. That's the kind of upgrade that could elevate your photography game to a whole new level. What does this mean for everyday users? Imagine capturing breathtaking landscapes with incredible detail, or snapping stunning group shots that don't lose clarity even when zoomed in. The improvements could make the S25 Ultra a go-to device for content creators and casual users alike. The ability to take high-quality images in various lighting conditions would be a significant win for anyone who loves to capture life's moments. But wait, there's more. Rumors also suggest that the telephoto lens could feature some intriguing variable capabilities. This could mean a more seamless zoom experience, especially when shooting video. How cool is that? Imagine being able to smoothly transition between different zoom levels without any jerky movements, making your videos look professional right from your pocket. And while there's some chatter about possibly reducing the number of camera lenses from 4 to 3, it seems like Samsung is experimenting with some innovative features that could compensate for that change. The photography community is definitely buzzing about what Samsung has in store. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which might be rebranded as the Snapdragon 8 Elite. This powerhouse of a processor is rumored to reach clock speeds of up to 4.32 GHz, promising a serious performance boost that should make everything from gaming to multitasking a breeze. Early leaks have shown some impressive benchmark scores, putting it toe-to-toe with Apple's 18 Bionic chip, which is no small feat. What does this mean for gamers and power users? Expect lightning-fast load times, smoother graphics in high-performance games, and an overall snappier experience when jumping between apps. Whether you're a casual gamer or someone who uses demanding applications for work, this performance upgrade could be a game-changer. Interestingly, there's talk of Samsung sticking exclusively to Qualcomm for this lineup, possibly leaving Exynos out of the mix entirely. This could be a strategic move, as Exynos chips have often lagged behind their Snapdragon counterparts in terms of performance and efficiency. Additionally, some rumors suggest that Samsung might even turn to a MediaTek chip for certain Galaxy S25 models. However, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is likely to remain true to its Snapdragon roots, ensuring top-tier performance that enthusiasts have come to expect from the Ultra series. Now let's talk battery life, because nobody wants their phone to die halfway through a busy day. It looks like the S25 Ultra will maintain the same robust 5,000 mAh capacity as its predecessor. Given that the S24 Ultra lasted a hopping 16 hours and 45 minutes on our battery tests, we're not too worried here. But with the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's power requirements, there's speculation that Samsung might need to squeeze a little more efficiency out of that battery to ensure it can keep up with the demands of the upgraded hardware. There's even chatter about the possibility of increasing the battery capacity slightly to accommodate the power draw of the new chipset, but we'll have to wait and see how that pans out. Regardless, Samsung has a reputation for delivering impressive battery life, and we're confident they'll find a way to keep users powered throughout the day. Plus, with charging speeds reportedly remaining at 45 watts, users can expect quick top-ups when they do need to charge. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to launch with Android 15, paired with the latest iteration of One UI 7. Samsung is promising a generous 7 years of software support for this lineup, which is a massive win for users looking to keep their devices up to date and secure. This extended support is becoming increasingly important as we rely more on our phones for everything from banking to personal organization. Moreover, we can expect more Galaxy Eye features to come into play, similar to those introduced with the S24 series. Imagine a smarter Bixby that can understand you better and perform tasks with even greater efficiency. Now that's a game changer. Samsung has been vocal about focusing on AI integration, but specific details on the features for the S25 series are still under wraps. The potential for improved voice recognition, predictive text, and personalized suggestions could significantly enhance user experience. And let's not forget about satellite connectivity, which has been a hot topic lately. If Apple can do it with the iPhone, why wouldn't Samsung look to adopt something similar? This could offer users a new level of connectivity in remote areas where traditional cellular service is spotty. It's an exciting time for tech, and features like this could become game changers for outdoor enthusiasts and travelers. So, while it might feel a bit early to start buzzing about the Galaxy S25 Ultra, Samsung is already deep in the planning stages. The company has a long history of innovating and pushing boundaries, and with the iPhone 16 now out in the wild and putting pressure on competitors, the stakes for the S25 Ultra have never been higher. We can expect to hear more about Samsung's efforts and developments throughout the rest of this year, as we edge closer to its anticipated launch in 2025. As more leaks and rumors surface, tech fans will be glued to their screens, eagerly waiting for any hint of what's to come. So keep those ears open for news, because this phone has the potential to set new standards in the smartphone market. Until then, stay excited about what's to come, and I'll catch you all in the next update. Take care and happy tech dreaming.